What's up, YouTube?
Hey, everybody.
Happy 4th of July.
Happy
We are hanging out today and we're doing fireworks. We cleaned the shed today, which I did not vlog.
My.
It was
It's
quite
best not to be seen
the
anyway.
journey as we continue to, as Blake put it, downscale. What was it?
Down
clutter. We're
Yeah.
down cluttering. So now it's fireworks, and they are in the middle of an epic Poppets war. Poppets war happening right now. Look who joined the party! It's the Gunderson family. Alright, it's time for a little power on. Yeah, come on. Alright, our show is finished at the Hofen household. Now we're on our way to Al Moody Park to watch the fireworks in Bend, Oregon shoot off of Pilot Butte. And
Real thing.
every year, Pilot Butte
Without
catches
doubt.
on fire.
Without fail.
So I'm gonna try to fly my drone. We're not gonna fly it like over Pilot Butte, but at the same level, about, you know, I don't know, what, a half mile away
Don't ask.
from Pilot Butte to see if we can get some aerial photography of the fireworks. We'll see ya there. All right, YouTube, that's a wrap. Happy 4th of July.